What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys had stuck around from the last video, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, tonight, right now, we are going to be headed to Mexico, and we're going to be doing a fun little front-wheel drive street car shootout. I've never done anything like this before, but it's going to be a first, and I'm going to bring some of the racing content for you guys before I start Project Blueberry. So we're out here at the homie's house, and I'm meeting up with him because I'm not too familiar with the area, and he is. So we're actually going to be heading out right now. So I just want to give you guys a quick little look. You guys probably have seen this car before, but just going to give you a quick little glimpse until we get to the spot. Oh yeah, that's it. That's all you guys are gonna get. But we'll definitely talk a little bit more about this whole entire shebang when we get to the actual spot. So we'll see you guys there.
Hey, you guys want to run for 50 or you want to up it? Up it! Red is right lane. You're the second pair down. Alright?
Alright, what do we get a joker?
Bro.
I'll pick Rick's. The losing card. Oh! Yes. The winner! Oh, shit!
Kendall.
Two more drivers.
Carlos, did you pick already?
No.
Who got number one?
You said. Huh?
Who got right lane?
Red. Oh, red.
Red.
Ah!
Oh, Carlos.
COVID.
See, the other way, man.
The cars.
Choose one. Hey, choose one. Who else number two?
I guess one.
Dana?
No. Okay.
Here, I got your bar. Miguel. And Nick. Kendall, your right lane. Me and Giovanni. Everyone's gonna unload and we're all gonna pull up at the same time. Everyone knows their order, right? And what lane?
What if we don't need to unload?
Good point.
Good point.
I mean, he did call a street car shootout, so you know.
All right, but everyone knows their order. Does everyone know their order?
Full interior, everything, no roll cage.
I got
We're going by the number cards, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4.
Rick and Carlos, first pair down. Carlos on the right. Miguel and Dana. Dana on the right. Third pair, Nick and Kendall. Kendall on the right. Me and Giovanni. Me on the right. I'm gonna set up cones at the beginning, at the end, with spray paint across, so you know where you'll finish.
Get spray paint.
And then do you guys care about flagger? Because I'm a volunteer, one of my guys. It's up to you guys. Goompa's gonna be flagging. He's gonna show you how. He's gonna flag you guys.
How?
How? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
With your pants down.
When you guys are staging,
With your bands up?
3 times. After 3 times, you should be on your.
You're gonna be on the line already. So whoever's gonna stage you, be on the line. You're not creeping up or anything. And then Goompa's gonna pull you in 3 times, but don't move. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. He's not gonna run back or anything. He's gonna put the flashlight up and bang it. Then the race is good. If you cross in front, you're DQ'd. But if you cross in the back, race is still on. First to the stripe. If you jump, first is worst. And flagger will have the last say. Are you guys all cool with that?
It gets me.
You guys all good?
Yeah.
Damn, guys, it's kind of dark, but I brought a knife to a gunfight, my guy. Everybody's on slicks except me. I guess I'm the only one who actually brought a damn street car, bro. I'm gonna put these down to like 20. There's only 4 pair-ups, so we're gonna try to knock out the 4 out. So I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up. I missed second hella hard, bro. That shit's scooting. Good shit though. I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh shit! I waited for you guys both to go thing. So, okay. But they said Chase's race, so you took it out.
Okay. I just wasn't sure because then I was waiting for you to like say stop, like you know.
Trying to be like the old days.
Trying.
Your car though. I'm too old now.
I can't even see your shit in my camera, bro. It's so damn dark. It's the dark side. For real. This is the final, guys. Miguel and Rick Integra versus EM1.
My nigga
So Rick called it. Miguel took the pot. Miguel is actually the guy I raced as well too.
Fucking loser. You guys didn't invite me because you know. 4 marks.
He already made it clear that he got me.
Where's your 4 marks?
Street car, bro. Hey, you see everything. Would you drive with the heater on? Congrats, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Sick. So the shootout's over. Miguel took the win out of Salinas M&M, and right now they're just doing some test passes, some fun runs, and he's just gonna line it up real quick with the Integra. This was also one of the cars for the shootout, and this thing is fast. Literally my battery died like 10 times now, but this is gonna conclude the front wheel drive shootout. Those guys are having fun. It's nice to kind of like, you know what I'm saying, get the feel of this whole racing thing again, because it's been a cool minute. But I think that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.